Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please make sure you subscribe, like and comment. In this video I'll be sharing with you how to make fruit yogurt pudding. Guys, you'll be seeing how to make it in a very simple and explainable way. Make sure to stay and watch this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, comment and share. Make sure you click on notification bell so that you will get notified anytime we post a new video. Guys, you will learn a lot in this video. Stay tuned and watch to the end. Enjoy watching the video, guys. If today is your first time of seeing my video, you're highly welcome to Dora Kitchen. In here we share with you food content and many more, guys. For all my return subscribers, thank you so much once again for always tuning into my videos. You are really appreciated. We appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.